Every single thing I liked had a little crown on it. Everyone. So today I'm doing the whole thing on the free plan. And I'm not going to show you pro working. I'm going to show you exactly where it stops, and then you decide if that wall is in your way or not. Hey, welcome back. Canva Free isn't a trial. No clock, no expiry, it's a real tool. But there's a wall in it, and it's in a very specific place. Most videos won't show you that, because they're busy showing off the paid version. So, free plan all the way through. And one question at the end that tells you if you should pay. Quick context, then we go. Canva's a design tool in your browser. No install, no Photoshop. You pick a template, you drag things around, you export thumbnails, posts, presentations, CV, logos, videos. Let's open it. So, canva.com. I search for a YouTube thumbnail and look at this. Hundreds of templates, free, and this is the honest good part. On the free plan, the editor is the same editor. You are not using a cut down version. Same canvas, same tools. Same in elements, photos, shapes, icons, video, and there's a lot in here. Is the paid stuff better? Sometimes. 4 times better? No. Most crowns I skip and I don't miss them. So let's build the thumbnail. Free template, free photo, my text. And that's a thumbnail. €0. That's not me being nice, just what it is. Now download. PNG. Fine, that's free. But transparent background? Watch. And there it is. That's the wall. That's pro. And this one matters. If you're making a logo, an icon, anything that sits on top of something else, you need transparent. So look what I get instead. My logo with a white box around it on a colored background. Useless. No clever trick here. If that's your work, you already got an answer. Then the magic stuff. Background remover. I click it and yeah. Upgrade. That's as far as I go. I'm not going to sell you the thing behind the door, but I'll be straight with you. If I paid for one feature here, it'd be that one. One click and the person cut out. If you make thumbnails every week, that's not a nice to have, that's the tool. On free, you're cutting it out by hand badly at midnight. I've done it. It's not a workflow, it's a punishment. And this one's the quiet one, Resize. One design, every format, story, post, banner. Click it. Pro, of course. So, on free you do this. Watch. New design, new size, move everything again by hand. And again for the next platform. It works. It's free. It's also 20 minutes every time. Nobody counts that. Post on 3 platforms every week and that's your Sunday. That's not a feature you're missing, that's your time. Brand kit, same shape. On Pro, you save your fonts and colors once. On Free, this is me pasting a hex code again. Fine for one design, but painful for 50. And the AI tools. Free gives you a few goes a month, so let me burn you one on camera. And it's fine. It's a starting point. I won't give you a number for the limits because they've changed them and the price is here already. Go read the pricing page yourself. So the question I promised. Don't compare feature lists. Ask yourself one thing. Am I spending my time working around this? If you are hunting for a free version of a paid graphic, moving the same design into 3 sizes by hand or fighting a white box around your logo, you're already paying. In hours instead of money. That's when you upgrade, not before. So, honestly, Canva Free it's a real tool. A few things a month, a poster, a CV, some posts, you never need to pay. Anyone telling you the free plan is useless is selling you something. But if you're posting every week on more than one platform with a logo and a brand, the wall's real. And it's exactly where it showed you. Transparent export, background remover, resize, 3 things. That's all pitch. If this helped, leave a like and tell me in the comments what you're making because the next one is a full thumbnail, start to finish. Free plan only. See you in the next one.